Hey, this is Pokemon Card Nation, and I just got some trading cards by the mail from Wailord G Level X, and we did a trade, so these are the cards that he gave me. Okay. That's a cool case. I'm gonna keep that for my rares card. Okay. Shaman Level X. That's the card I traded for. Espeon G Level 55. Reverse. Swallow Hollow. Palkia Hollow. It's kind of damaged actually. Moltres Hollow, reverse, Pharaoh, and Tyrogue. Thank you for these cards. I'll be shipping your other cards soon, so bye.